Good morning, legends. After yesterday's monster retracement, all eyes are now on whether that strength holds or fizzles out. Let's break down what's next for ES. We start today with a full economic plate, durable goods, jobless claims, and home sales all hitting today. Expect some volatility spikes around releases and manage your risk. Yesterday we opened up with a Globex gap up, ripping into last week's high. Every bull target above our line in the sand was smashed, including that 5,488 zone. But just as fast, we reversed a full round trip back to the gap high. Classic fake move. Let's see what we can in store for today. On the 10-day volume profile, this structure is still one time framing down with a high at 5,528.75. We're building more volume above last period's POC, creating a double distribution while holding inside the previous value area. This is a potential zone if bulls want continuation. So on the weekly chart, we see that the one time framing down is broken and we are now back into balance. Crucially, ES is holding above last week's value area low, which matches with the double distribution low. This area becomes critical. Hold it and bulls may reload. On the 2-hour delta chart, we saw a strong upthrust during Globex, followed by some New York continuation, until sellers start slamming it at 5,500. Below 5,470, sellers gain traction, but we are still far above the weekly view up, so bulls aren't dead yet. And on the New York TPO, we see that Wednesday formed a B profile, think long liquidation. Most volume is sitting right here below the last week's failed breakout POCs at 5,443. Week lows suggest more downside if we open below value. And let's jump into the 1-hour chart and our strike prices. We are trading inside a key low volume node within the Globex gap. Still moving inside this A to B price range, but with the daily one-time framing up taken out, we could be headed for more balance. Watch out for reactions at these extremes. As for a game plan, my line in the sand today will be the gap low at 5,340, which is also Friday's value area high. Bulls can target 5,385, 5,428 and 5,460, while bears can short into 5,320, 5,275 and 5,230. So guys, today we've got a shifting structure, economic data hitting hard and a market sitting on the fence. Stay nimble, stay sharp and trade the extremes with conviction. As always, hit that like, leave me a comment, subscribe to the free newsletter and I'll catch you tomorrow for the Friday wrap-up.